Hello, I am Reverend Becky and this is
Noah.
And we today are going to show you how to make an Easter garden. And what have we got to go in our Easter garden, Noah?
So we've got some twigs, we've got some moss for the land of course, and then we've got some rocks for our nice little team,
And then there's some extra bits that you can have in your Easter garden if you want. So these are little jars, and we're going to put one of these in our Easter garden so we can fill it with water, and then on Easter Sunday we will put flowers in it to represent life and that God has brought Jesus back to life. And we're also going to be using some birthday candles. It doesn't matter if they've been used before, but we're going to put 6 of these on the path to the tomb, and we're going to light one every day in Holy Week, which is next week, to help us as we reflect and meditate on the journey Jesus had to take. So to get started on your Easter garden, you need to have a base for your Easter garden. So you could use a tray like this or a baking tin.
Or you could use a plant pot.
So the plant pot can be used as, you can just do a really small one, or you can do a really small one like this, or what you can do is you can use that as your tomb, and then you can put a stone over the cross. You could also use a slightly bigger one and do this, but you might want to put some drainage holes in the bottom. But what we're going to use
a ginormous one.
So we're going to use one of these to make our Easter garden. The other thing that you might want to think about using is a tissue, because in the tomb, when Mary and her friends go to open the tomb, they find on Easter Sunday the clothes folded up in the tomb. So you could use a tissue or some white cloth to represent those. And then the other thing you might need, just for reference, is maybe some books to help you. So this is a brilliant book if you've not read it. You can hear me reading it. The Garden, the Curtain and the Cross. It's a brilliant story. And then also here there's some pictures. This is taken from another book called The Amazing Journey, and you could use that to help you. And then again, just children's Bibles. This is the Jesus Storybook Bible, and in here you've got some pictures that might help you when you think about what you want your Easter garden to look like. So Noah, should we get cracking?
Yes.
So here is our completed Easter garden, and we're going to talk you through how you could use it during Holy Week. Holy Week starts on Palm Sunday, the triumphant entry of Jesus on the donkey, and we're going to light a candle to mark that occasion. And so we light the first candle, which marks Palm Sunday, and then we go to Monday. And again, you could light this every day and just think about what it means for Jesus as he journeys to the cross. And then we can light the taper again. There we go now. And then we go to Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Maundy Thursday we think about Jesus washing the disciples' feet and the Last Supper he has with his friends. And then we go on to Good Friday. That's it, thank you, Noah. And Good Friday is a funny name, isn't it? Because Good Friday is a good day, but it's also a really sad day, because it's the day when Jesus dies on the cross alongside 2 criminals. And it's on that day that Jesus goes into the tomb
And gets a stone pushed in front of his tomb.
Yeah. And on Good Friday we think about Jesus' death. We think about what it meant for him to die on the cross. But then Noah, what happens on Easter Sunday?
He rises again.
And how do we celebrate that?
Well, some people celebrate with Easter eggs, but I can't remember.
Yeah, so it's Easter eggs, and that's because it's new life. It's life happening. It's really important. So Noah, if you pour some water into our jar, brilliant. Oh, this is good.
And stop.
And then if you put those flowers in, and these are flowers that we've found around our garden that we're going to put in. Brilliant. And these represent new life, the life that we find in Jesus.
I love that colour.
It's nice, isn't it? And then the stone is rolled away, so we can move the stone. Let me move the stone.
This is my favourite flower.
And it's moved to the side like this. That's it. Oh, that's good, isn't it? Oh, let's push that one in. Well done. And then we see that the clothes are there because when the women come to find Jesus in the tomb, they see that no one is there. They think the gardener has taken them, and they beg the gardener, "Where have you taken him? Where have you taken him?" And the gardener that they mistake is actually Jesus. And Jesus says, "I am here. Go and tell people that I am risen from the dead." That's an amazing story at Easter, isn't it? And we love the Easter garden as a way of helping us remember and think about this important story of Easter. Thank you for watching. What do we say?
Thank you.
Bye.